Hello, Wolverines. Good Tuesday morning. Today is Tuesday, May 4th, 2021. And today is also our PBIS assembly. So we are going to get this announcement starting with our Wolverine school song. Great singing, Wolverines. So for the month of May, our theme is going to be the Wolverine Way. So we are going to review some of our Wolverine Way expectations. So if you remember, there are 4 expectations in the Wolverine Way. Be responsible, be respectful, be safe, and be a learner. So we're going to think about how we can show that we're Wolverines when we're at school. So what do our clubbies and hallways look like? Are they clean and organized? Do we give silent waves in the hallway? Are we following teachers' directions? In the bathrooms, are we remembering to be quick, quiet, and clean? When we come in the morning, are we using a voice level of 0 to 2? Are we making sure our masks are on correctly and we're sanitizing when we get to school? On the bus, are we making sure that we're cleaning up after ourselves and keeping our food in the backpack? On the playground, we want to use those listening ears, making sure we're dressing for the weather. It's been really hot and then really cold and rainy and all sorts of things. So we want to make sure we dress for the weather. And when we're eating lunch, we want to make sure we're sitting in our spot, keeping our voices off while we're eating. And then when we're done eating, making sure those masks go back on. So there's lots of parts to the Wolverine Way. So your job in May is to practice and show how to be a Wolverine. I got some great news in the hallway today. When I was walking down the hallway, Miss Finney's class came by me and they said, Miss Hallenbrand, guess what? We filled the battery. So you know what that means? We get to have a school-wide celebration. We're going to be having a bingo party. So your teacher is going to get you some more information about our bingo party, and we're going to have a lot of fun celebrating the great work that we have done. So next up, we are going to hear our May affirmation. And for this, I visited Miss Shellhouse's classroom.
This is our May affirmation called Watch. Watch your thoughts, for they become words.
Watch your thoughts, for they become words.
Watch your words, for they become actions.
Watch your words, for they become actions.
Watch your actions, for they become habits.
Watch your actions, for they become habits.
Watch your habits, for they become character.
Watch your habits, for they become character.
Watch your character, for they become your destiny.
Watch your character, for they become your destiny.
Awesome. Didn't they do an excellent job on that affirmation? So our word for today is identity. Maybe you've seen some of these up in our hallways. So identity includes all of the things that make you who you are. This means things you choose, like your interests and your friends, and things you were born into, like your family and your race. So we've done a lot of work on identity this year. So that's probably a familiar word to most of you when you have worked on your identity journals and thinking about all that makes you who you are. Next up is the Wolverine Chant. And this time I got to do it with Miss Charlon's class.
Go.
I am
I'm
safe.
safe, yes I am. I'm responsible, yes I am. I'm respectful, yes I am. I'm a learner, yes I am. I'm a Wolverine who follows the Wolverine way. Yes, I am.
Great job, Ms. Charnholm's class. Let's wrap up today's announcements with the Pledge of Allegiance. So if you'd like to join in, you can stand up, put your hand on your heart, and say along with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Happy Tuesday, Wolverines. May the 4th be with you today.